Okay, so here we are on the next one. It is 8 runners. There are 4 horses that are quite closely priced. Favorite is on the drift. 5 minutes to go. Now, the favorite is drifting quite a lot. And I'm going to do the same as on the last race, where I'm going to back it. So hang on a second here. I'm going to wait and see if it peaks to 5. Because if it does, I'll jump in there. Looks like we might have missed the boat there, but that's okay. Oh, there's a huge chunk came in. 7 grand. So I'll just scalp out a little bit here because it looks like it might, in my personal opinion, I think it's going to come back in. I'm looking at the third favourite there and the second. They're both teetering on the 6 mark. So the third one has just crashed through it. If that doesn't bounce back, then the favourite might keep drifting. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here now. In the meantime, I'll just keep scalping this one. Because you can see the third favourite stalled now. And there's no real movement in the other ones. I've got them on my chart here. So I am quite happy just to sit here. Because you can see the third one here, there is a bit of interest. And there was but as you can see now, I'm in a very comfortable position where I can just put a stop loss here. I can put a stop loss here now, and just let this run. If it comes up and hits my stop loss, that's fine. That's okay with me. But I am pretty confident that this is going to come in. So I'm just going to leave it. I can see the third favourite is still coming in, but so is the favourite. So I'm quite happy to let this one run. I'll just pop in a couple of... I'll scalp this one here with a directional bias of that I think it is going to keep coming in. So I'll just jump in there for a quick £10. His second favourite's drifting out. And yeah, this is a nice trade. What I'll do now is, because I'm talking, I'll just get out there just to illustrate this point again. So once again, right, £10 stakes. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not risking anything. I'm not doing anything other than sitting, reacting to what's happening. I'm looking at my chart. I'm looking at the live video feed, and I'm just reacting to what's happening, right? If you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to trade, then click on the link in the video, right? Because, yes, I realise that you're watching this thinking, oh, £10 stakes, whoop-de-doo, what's the point? Because you have to realise that I just made a £1.46 return on a minuscule amount of money. So if I now only had a £100 bank, I could trade like this, right? And I just got a 1.4% return on my bank, right? There is no other investment you can do that with. There is no other way of online investment where you can get that kind of return based on your own skill in a safe environment like this. Because when you're trading with small stakes, you're emotionally unattached, because the downsides are so small that it doesn't matter. So that allows you to free your mind and just to purely focus on one thing, and that one thing is reading the market, looking around and seeing what is happening, right? Which is so important. Because I could see what was going to happen there. I could see that based on what the other horses were doing and the fact that they weren't reacting in a certain way, I could see that the favourite was going to come in. I knew it was going to happen. Granted, it was just a probability, but I knew that the edge was on my favour. I had the edge over the market, and I knew that was going to happen. So you know, if I'd been using £100 stakes there, I'd be a £15 profit right now. Okay, and there are over 10,000 races a year. You know, if I can do between £5 and £10 a race, you know, you're talking almost £100,000 a year just by sitting here and trading. So, yeah. So if you want to learn how to trade, click the link in the description. And but if you also do football accumulators, you can also check out akawinner.com, or click the link in the description as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.